The first faint streaks of dawn pierced the horizon over Fairview Dairy, one of America's largest operations, nestled deep in California's Central Valley. It's 3 a.m., and for Sarah Jenkins, a third-generation dairy farmer, the day is already well underway. The air is cool, carrying the earthy scent of straw and the low hum of machinery. Her breath mists in the pre-dawn chill as she surveys the vast barns, a testament to generations of hard work and innovation. Today marks another crucial cycle, a daily race against time to bring fresh milk to millions. For consumers, milk is simply a staple, always available. But beneath this seeming simplicity lies a complex, high-speed logistical ballet. From the moment milk leaves the cow, a relentless clock begins ticking. The industry operates under an astonishing promise to deliver milk from the farm to grocery store shelves in as little as 48 hours. This isn't just about freshness, it's about a commitment to quality and safety, driven by incredibly precise coordination. Every second counts in this intricate journey, from pasture to plate. Inside Fairview Dairy's state-of-the-art milking parlor, hundreds of cows move with practiced ease into their individual stalls. The silence of the night is broken by the gentle whirring of vacuum pumps and the rhythmic pulsing of automated milkers. This isn't just about efficiency, it's about cow comfort and maximizing yield. Each animal is precisely tracked, their health monitored by an array of sensors. For Sarah, this technology is an extension of her care, ensuring a consistent flow of high-quality milk, the first step in a rapid journey. The milk, warm from the cow, is immediately drawn through sanitary lines, avoiding any exposure to air. This initial isolation is paramount for maintaining purity. It flows directly into large, refrigerated bulk tanks, where its temperature is quickly brought down from body temperature to a frosty 38 degrees Fahrenheit. This rapid chilling is a critical early step, preventing bacterial growth and preserving the milk's natural integrity. Sarah knows that freshness begins at the source, and every precaution is taken from the very first drop. The scale of Fairview Dairy is truly immense. Each day, the farm's thousands of cows produce an astounding volume of milk, enough to fill multiple tanker trucks. This massive output is a carefully managed balance of genetics, nutrition, and advanced animal husbandry. It's not just about quantity, but consistent quality, day in and day out, to meet the insatiable demand of America's grocery stores. This concentration of production is what makes the rapid 48-hour timeline feasible, enabling efficient collection and transport. Just as the morning sun fully illuminates the valley, a gleaming stainless steel tanker truck rumbles down the farm's access road. This is David Rodriguez, an experienced driver for California Dairy Transport, a critical link in the supply chain. He's on a tight schedule, with multiple farm pickups planned before heading to the processing plant. David's meticulous routine ensures that the cold chain is never broken, and the milk's integrity remains uncompromised during its first leg of the journey. His motivation: delivering freshness. Before a single drop of milk enters his tanker, David performs a series of rigorous checks. He takes a sample from each bulk tank, testing for temperature, antibiotics, and overall quality. This isn't just a formality, it's a critical control point. Any deviation means the entire batch could be rejected, a costly setback for the farmer. Sarah watches, confident in her farm's standards. This immediate screening ensures that only the purest, safest milk embarks on the next stage of its journey. No compromises are allowed. Once approved, a powerful pump begins transferring the chilled milk from Fairview Dairy's bulk tanks into David's insulated tanker. It's a precise operation, with every hose and connection sanitized before use. The tanker itself is a marvel of engineering, designed to maintain the milk's cold temperature without refrigeration for the duration of the trip. David monitors the gauges, ensuring maximum capacity is reached before sealing the hatches. This efficient loading process minimizes transfer time, shaving precious minutes off the 48-hour clock. With the tanker full, David begins his drive towards the Golden State Dairy Processing Plant, 150 miles away. The journey is a constant battle against the clock and the unpredictable challenges of the road. Traffic, road construction, even adverse weather, can all threaten the tight schedule. David, however, is a seasoned professional, expertly navigating freeways and rural roads, his cargo of fresh milk paramount. Every mile brings the milk closer to its transformation, but also adds to the urgency of its destination. The 48-hour countdown continues. Just a few hours after leaving Fairview Dairy, David pulls his tanker into the receiving bay of Golden State Dairy, a massive processing facility operating 24/7. The air here is colder, filled with the scent of clean machinery and, faintly, fresh milk. This plant processes millions of gallons annually, a critical hub in the regional dairy network. The scale of the operation is evident in the towering silos and constant activity. The milk has arrived for its next stage, but the clock shows no mercy, demanding immediate action. Here, the quality control process intensifies. Dr. Evelyn Reed, the plant's lead food safety scientist, oversees a team that takes further samples from David's tanker. These tests are even more comprehensive than those at the farm, checking for somatic cell count, bacteria levels, and fat content. Only milk that passes these stringent standards is accepted into the plant's vast storage tanks. It's a safeguard against any potential contamination or quality issues that might have arisen during transport, ensuring consumer safety above all else. Once cleared, the milk is pumped from the tankers into immense, refrigerated stainless steel silos, each capable of holding hundreds of thousands of gallons. These silos act as temporary holding pens, keeping the raw milk at a consistent 36 to 38 degrees Fahrenheit. They are meticulously cleaned and sterilized after each use. From here, the milk will begin its journey through the processing plant, moving through a complex network of pipes and machines, each designed to refine and secure its freshness. The journey of transformation has truly begun. The first step inside the plant's main processing area is separation. Centrifugal force is used to separate the cream from the skim milk. This allows the plant to then standardize the milk, recombining the cream and skim in precise ratios to create different fat percentages: whole milk, 2%, 1%, and skim. This ensures consistency for consumers, who expect the same product every time. It's a scientific approach to tailoring nature's bounty to market demand, all while maintaining the milk's nutritional integrity and purity. The most crucial step for safety is pasteurization. This process involves heating the milk to a specific temperature for a set time, then rapidly cooling it. This eliminates harmful bacteria without significantly altering the milk's nutritional value or flavor. For Golden State Dairy, it's typically high temperature, short time, HTST, pasteurization, a highly efficient method. Dr. Reed emphasizes this step as non-negotiable, the cornerstone of public health in the dairy industry. It's what transforms raw milk into a safe, consumable product. Following pasteurization, milk undergoes homogenization. Here, the milk is forced under high pressure through tiny openings. This breaks down the fat globules into much smaller, uniform sizes, preventing them from separating and rising to the top as a cream layer. This is why modern milk doesn't require shaking before pouring. It creates the smooth, consistent texture and appearance that consumers expect. It's an aesthetic and functional improvement, ensuring every sip is uniform and pleasant, a hallmark of processed milk quality. Throughout the entire processing plant, maintaining a sterile environment is paramount. Air filtration systems, positive air pressure, and rigorous sanitation protocols are in place at every turn. Workers wear specialized protective gear to prevent any human contamination. The plant's hygiene is not just good practice, it's a regulatory requirement and a moral obligation. Every surface, every pipe, every container must be pristine to guarantee the safety and shelf life of the milk. It's a continuous, vigilant effort. After processing, the milk is ready for packaging. Automated lines fill countless cartons and jugs with astonishing speed and accuracy. Different sizes, from half pints to gallons, are filled simultaneously. The packaging material itself is designed to protect the milk from light and oxygen, which can degrade quality. These machines operate with incredible precision, minimizing waste and ensuring that each container is perfectly sealed, ready for its final journey. It's a symphony of automation, transforming bulk liquid into consumer-ready products. Immediately after packaging, the cartons and jugs are moved into massive refrigerated warehouses. Here, they are quickly stacked onto pallets and kept at a consistent 34 to 36 degrees Fahrenheit. This cold storage is crucial for maintaining the milk's freshness and extending its shelf life. The warehouses are a maze of towering shelves and efficient forklift operations, staging the milk for its imminent departure. Every pallet is tracked, ready to be loaded onto refrigerated trucks for distribution to stores. From the Golden State Dairy Processing Plant, a fleet of refrigerated trucks stands ready. These aren't just any trucks, they are specialized units designed to maintain precise temperatures for hours on end. Dispatch manager, Elena Petrova, meticulously plans the routes, ensuring optimal efficiency to reach hundreds of grocery stores across the region. Her job is a complex puzzle of timing, traffic, and store demands, all aimed at fulfilling that 48-hour promise. The stakes are high, as delays impact freshness and consumer trust. The challenge of distribution is immense. Trucks must navigate urban congestion, rural routes, and tight delivery windows. Each driver, like Maria Sanchez, is responsible for several stops, carefully unloading milk that has remained at optimal temperature since it left the plant. The precision of the cold chain is tested here, as doors open and close, and pallets are moved swiftly. It's a testament to human coordination and advanced technology, working in tandem to defy geographical distances and deliver perishable goods. By the late afternoon, less than 24 hours after Sarah Jenkins began her day, Maria Sanchez is pulling her truck into the loading bay of Freshmart, a bustling grocery store. Mark Jensen, the store's dairy manager, is there to meet her. For Mark, receiving fresh milk is a daily ritual, critical to his store's reputation. He relies on this timely, consistent delivery to keep his shelves stocked. The milk is now tantalizingly close to its final destination, having traveled hundreds of miles in perfect condition. Mark's team works quickly, moving the milk from the loading dock directly into the store's refrigerated dairy aisle. The milk jugs and cartons are neatly arranged, rotating older stock to the front. This first-in, first-out system ensures that customers always purchase the freshest available product. For Mark, seeing the shelves fully stocked with milk, knowing its journey, is a point of pride. It's the culmination of countless efforts, bringing a fundamental food item directly to the consumer. And there it is. The milk, which was flowing from a cow at Fairview Dairy less than 48 hours ago, now sits on a grocery store shelf, cold and fresh, ready for purchase. From Sarah Jenkins' early morning start to David Rodriguez's steady drive, to Dr. Reed's meticulous lab work, and finally to Mark Jensen's stocked shelves, every person and every process has played a vital role in this astonishing feat of modern agriculture and logistics. The cycle is complete, the promise delivered. Behind this seemingly simple carton of milk lies an intricate web of unseen efforts. It's the engineers who design the milking machines, the nutritionists who optimize cow feed, the veterinarians who ensure animal health, the software developers who optimize logistics, and the sanitation crews who relentlessly clean. These are the silent heroes of the dairy industry, all working in concert to make the 48-hour journey not just possible, but consistently reliable, day after day, year after year. Their dedication is boundless. The efficiency of this 48-hour cycle is not static, it's constantly being refined. Innovations in sensor technology allow for real-time monitoring of milk quality and equipment performance. Advanced analytics predict demand and optimize delivery routes. Sustainable practices are integrated, from water conservation on farms to energy-efficient processing plants. The industry embraces these advancements, always seeking to improve freshness, reduce environmental impact, and enhance the safety of every glass of milk. Progress is a continuous journey. Back at Fairview Dairy, Sarah Jenkins reflects on another successful morning. While her milk is already miles away, her work continues. She monitors the health of her herd, manages feed schedules, and plans for the next milking. For her, farming is more than a business, it's a lifestyle, a connection to the land and the animals. She understands the crucial role she plays in the food supply chain, a responsibility she takes with profound seriousness. Her dedication is the foundation of the entire system. David Rodriguez, after delivering his last load, prepares his truck for the next day. His tanker is thoroughly washed and sanitized, ensuring it's ready for another round of pickups. The long hours and solitary drives are demanding, but David takes pride in his role. He's not just moving milk, he's delivering nourishment, connecting farms to communities. His reliable service is indispensable, a quiet backbone of the rapid supply chain that most consumers never see. David's journey is far from over. Inside Golden State Dairy, Dr. Evelyn Reed concludes her shift, reviewing the day's quality control reports. Her work is a constant vigilance against compromise. She ensures that every gallon of milk meets or exceeds stringent safety standards, protecting millions of consumers. Her scientific expertise underpins the plant's entire operation, a silent guardian of public health. For Dr. Reed, her motivation is not just about numbers on a report, but the trust placed in her by families across the nation. Quality is her mantra. As Freshmart closes for the night, Mark Jensen walks through the dairy aisle, checking stock levels. Tomorrow, the cycle will begin anew. He knows that his customers depend on a consistent supply of fresh milk, and he is a vital part of making that happen. Mark's dedication ensures that the end of the supply chain is just as strong and efficient as its beginning, providing the crucial final link to the consumer. He prepares for the next delivery, maintaining the flow. Ultimately, the 48-hour journey of milk is built on trust. Consumers trust that the milk they buy is safe, fresh, and nutritious. This trust is earned through the transparency of the process, the dedication of every individual involved, and the continuous innovation within the dairy industry. It's a testament to how complex systems can deliver daily essentials with remarkable speed and unwavering quality, connecting vast agricultural landscapes to urban homes, all within the blink of a logistical eye. From the gentle rhythm of the milking parlor at dawn to the quiet hum of refrigeration units in a grocery store at night, the journey of milk is a symphony of interconnected systems. Each part plays its role flawlessly, choreographed by human expertise and technological precision. It is a story of agriculture meeting industry, science meeting logistics, and dedication meeting demand. This seamless flow is a modern marvel, often taken for granted, yet essential to our daily lives. A truly amazing journey. The speed and efficiency seen in this American dairy supply chain are echoed in many parts of the world, as global demand for dairy products continues to grow. This rapid delivery model sets a high standard for freshness and quality. It demonstrates how essential food items can reach vast populations swiftly, feeding communities and supporting economies. The future of dairy will undoubtedly continue this trajectory, driven by consumer expectations and technological advancements that promise even greater efficiency and sustainability. Beyond its journey, milk itself remains a nutritional powerhouse. Rich in calcium, vitamin D, potassium, and protein, it plays a vital role in bone health, muscle development, and overall well-being. The incredible effort to bring it from farm to table in 48 hours is ultimately driven by its profound importance to human health. It's more than just a drink, it's a foundational element of healthy diets worldwide, making its rapid journey even more significant. A daily source of essential nutrients. This highly efficient system isn't without its challenges. Climate change, evolving consumer preferences, and geopolitical shifts continually test the resilience of the dairy supply chain. But the industry constantly adapts, innovating to meet new demands and overcome obstacles. From developing plant-based alternatives within dairy companies to implementing new waste reduction technologies, the commitment to providing accessible, high-quality nutrition remains steadfast. It's a dynamic and evolving landscape, requiring constant vigilance and ingenuity. The journey of milk from America's largest dairy farms to grocery stores in just 48 hours stands as a powerful testament to modern agricultural and logistical efficiency. It embodies precision, speed, and an unwavering commitment to quality and safety. Every carton represents not just a product, but a collaborative effort of thousands of dedicated individuals in cutting-edge technology, working in harmony. It's a silent triumph of the food industry, happening every single day, right beneath our noses. A true modern marvel. As you reach for that cold carton in your fridge, take a moment to consider its incredible journey. Less than 2 days ago, it was still on a farm, part of a living, breathing landscape. Now, it's ready to nourish you and your family. And as you enjoy it, somewhere, another farmer like Sarah Jenkins is beginning her day, another tanker driver like David Rodriguez is hitting the road, and another plant like Golden State Dairy is buzzing with activity. The 48-hour cycle begins anew, endlessly. What an amazing feat!